Disappear right after this song, so give me the night. Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, obviously you can tell by the title, and that is I will be reviewing how I make passive income from my crypto portfolio. But before we get into that, I would appreciate it if you give me that early thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new around here, and leave a comment in the comment section below on what video you want to see next, because this video is suggested by someone. I have forgot who you are, so if that is you, thank you for asking me to make this video. Meanwhile, if you're from Malaysia or anywhere in the world and you want to invest into cryptocurrency, I have a couple of referral codes in the description box below. You guys can go ahead and use them. If not, you can just go ahead and use our friends or family's referral codes. Also, I reply to all of the comments almost instantly, and drop me a DM on Instagram if you have any questions. With that being said, let's just jump straight into the video. So a lot of people are jumping into cryptocurrency investments recently, and that is because cryptocurrency actually opens up a big opportunity for people to make passive income just by simply staking your tokens into certain projects or certain liquidity pools. So today in this video, I will be reviewing on how I make passive income from my crypto portfolio, about $20 in 1 week.
That's impossible!
Which is 7 days. Not a lot, but you know, it's a lot for a student like me. So if you're interested in that, stick around and watch this video all the way until the end, and I appreciate you. So one of the largest altcoin that I hold in my crypto portfolio is Cakecoin. So how do you get Cakecoin? And that is through their Pancakeswap, which is their native platform. Cakecoin is actually their native token. So let's just go ahead into Pancakeswap. So right here you can see exchange, swap, liquidity, and then you can see a bunch of stuff on the left: home, trade, exchange, liquidity, and etc, etc. So we're gonna go ahead into pools, and that is where I stake most of my Cake tokens into. So right now we are at Syrup pools, and this is where you can see there are tons and tons of projects that you can stake your Cake to earn its native token. But for me, I just like to stake Cake and then staking it back into the Cake pool, earning me more Cake, and then just compounding them into the Cake pool, which then makes me even more Cake, and so on. So right here there is auto cake, automatic restaking. I like to compound my cakes, which I mentioned earlier, and here you can see I have a total portfolio of $513 US, 29.38 cakes, and currently I have had like a 0.8 cake profit. So right now the APY is about 123%, which is not too bad, but I miss the old days of having 150%. So the reason why APY would decrease is because the amount of people staking into this pool increased. So the more people stake, the lesser rewards you get, which makes sense. And right now we are here in farms, stake, liquidity, pool, tokens to earn. So LP token is actually something like a token that you provide, or you stake it into certain projects, you provide liquidity to it. So right here I have a small amount of Cake BNB staked into Pancakeswap's liquidity pool, and I have earned an interest of $0.71, which is not a lot, because staking into liquidity pools actually exposes yourself to more risk. And what I would like is slow and steady, compound everything and then restake it, and just... So right here on my screen, you guys can see that the Cake at the bottom of this left column, you guys can see that the current Cake coin is $17.46. So let's just put it this way. Let's just round it up to $20 per Cake coin so that it's easier for me to do the math. So I have 29.3 cakes and at 122% of APY, which is per year. So 122% for 29.3 cakes is gonna bring me about 35 cakes after a year of staking and compounding. And let's go ahead and do the math. So 35 cakes times $20, and that is going to bring me about $700 in a year. So $700 divided by 365, and that is 1 year, and that is when it brings me $1.90 every single day, which is not too bad, especially if you're a broke student like me. Every single dollar really counts, and it really helps me. So now that we know that we're making about $1.90 every single day, let's go ahead and calculate the approximate amount that we are making passively, or I am making passively every single month. $1.9 times 30. And that brings me to about $57 every single month, which is about 200 plus Malaysian ringgit. So it is pretty cool in my opinion. So right now we're going to actually take a look at my Binance crypto portfolio. So right here, I'll show you guys in my Earn wallet, I actually have 0.28 Binance coins, which is BNB staked in BNB Vault. And I have about 2.1 kick in the locked staking at about 37.49% per year. And finally, we're in Huobi, which is the second largest crypto exchange platform from China as well. And I have made a video on the top right. You guys can click it if you guys are interested in that one. So over here, I have about $312.91 staked in its Huobi Earn, and at a 6% interest, I think I'll go ahead and look it up for you guys. Here we go. We have 312.91 US tethers or US dollars. It's the same thing, staked at a 6.4% APY. So ladies and gentlemen, that basically sums up my passive crypto portfolio for me, especially like myself as a student. I say I would generate about 20 US dollars every single week, which is not a lot for most people out there that are watching this video, but it's quite a decent amount, especially for a student like me. And those who are like me, like a broke student, I hope that I could inspire you guys through this video to do your own research into certain cryptocurrencies that you're interested into and invest a conservative amount into it and stake it into certain crypto projects, and that could generate you a passive income stream from the blockchain as well. So with that being said, subscribe if you're new around here, turn on the post notifications. As always, leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. Feel free to drop me a DM on Instagram right here, because I reply you almost instantly unless I am asleep or I am dead. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys actually appreciate the transparency. So, I will see you guys in the next video.